Does it feel like every website you visit immediately asks for your location, wants to send you notifications, or tries to access your camera? It is annoying and a little invasive. In this video, I'm going to show you how to manage site permissions in Microsoft Edge. I'll show you the quick way to block a specific site right from the address bar, and then the deep settings to stop these pop-ups from ever appearing in the first place. First, let's look at the quick fix. Let's say you are on a website and you want to quickly check what it can do. Go up to the address bar and click the lock icon to the left of the website address. This is the About This Site section in Edge. You will see permissions for this site, which shows what this specific site is allowed to do. Click it. You can toggle location, camera, or microphone on or off right here. But what if you want to change the rules for all websites? Click the three dots in the top right corner, go to Settings, and in the left sidebar, click on Privacy, Search and Services, Quick Site Permissions. Then click All Permissions. This is your command center. You'll see a long list of everything a site can ask for: location, camera, microphone, and more. Let's look at camera. Click the arrow to open it. Here, you can see which sites you've previously blocked or allowed. If you want to be super private, you can toggle Ask before accessing off, which effectively blocks it for everyone until you turn it back on. Now, let's fix the most annoying part of the internet: notifications. Click on Notifications in the list. You want to look for a setting called Quiet Notification Requests. Turn this on. Instead of a giant pop-up asking to send you news alerts, Edge will now show a subtle bell icon in the address bar. It stops the interruption but still lets you subscribe if you actually want to. One last setting you should check is pop-ups and redirects. Click into it and make sure the toggle at the top is turned on blue. This blocks those annoying windows that open when you click a link. If a bank or school website isn't opening a window you need, you can add them to the allow list right here. By managing these lists, you make your browsing faster, safer, and much less annoying. If this helped you silence those notification requests, please hit like and subscribe to easy tutorials and how-tos. Thanks for watching.